Hey, how you doing? This is Jay from the Volo Auto Museum. I have a 70 Mach 1 for sale today, a real slick looking car. I'm going to tell you all about it in a second here. You can go to volocars.com. We have a few hundred collector cars for sale at any given time, and each car, including this one, will have photos top to bottom, all the specs, and all the information's on there to contact us. We'll help you finance, ship the car, answer questions. That's volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you can be informed as soon as we put new videos up. You can make comments. We do respond to those as well. So let's take this for a spin. I'm excited to show this car. I mean, just look at it. This car is slick. I know a lot of cars can look slick on the TV, but in person they're not so slick. This one really is. And it came in this way. The owner of this car is very particular. We maybe dusted it. That's it. This car is beautiful. It is absolutely straight. All the body gaps are nice. There's no bubbling. There's no cracking. There's no issues. It is a gorgeous paint job. And all the little stuff, the trim, the glass, the louvers, it's all nice. And that's what really makes the car pop. The taillights, the panel's not faded or broken. The silver in here is nice and silver. It's not pitted or faded. The stainless trim is not beat up. It's shiny. Look at the wheels, the bright chrome Magnum wheels with the BF Goodrich tires. It's just as good inside. The door panels, the lights work. It's got the high back sport interior with the console, sport mirrors. Like I said, spoilers, louvers, hood stripes, they're painted on. You don't even feel them. They're under the clear. The windshield's nice and clear. The wiper arms are nice satin silver. All of this is beautiful. The grille is detailed. This is how you like to get a car. Same thing under here. All the metal's real nice. Everything has a smooth, shiny finish, whether it's the air cleaner or the radiator. It's all nice. I see Autolite hoses with the correct clamps. This is an air-conditioned, power steering, power disc brake car as well. It's got a 351 in there. No signs of rust. It's just beautiful in the engine compartment. Got all the seat belts. They're in real nice shape. Door jambs are beautiful. The weather strips are nice. The window seals, the door handles. I mean, again, this car is really, really nice. I would own this car myself. Someone said, here's $1,000, make the car better. I honestly wouldn't know what to spend $1,000 on because it's nice everywhere. Here's the trunk. Look at the latch, the sticker, the weather strip. It's got the trunk mat. It's got the cover over the tire. The tire, I believe, matches the rest of them. It's a brand new tire. Yeah, it's a Magnum wheel. It's got the little bag for the jack. Let's start it up. I'm going to show off a little bit. I'm not even going to get in and touch the gas. I bet you this car starts right up. And it did. That's how smooth that thing runs. Interior lights work, dash lights up nice, the gauges are clean, the lenses are clear, the steering wheel's beautiful, the console's beautiful. It's a real dash pad, not a plastic cover. I mean, that just runs as smooth as can be. Really, really nice. The little heat riser tube off the air cleaner down to the exhaust manifold is there. This is a keeper. This is not a car you're going to buy and then want to upgrade or get a better one a year down the road. This is one you'll hang on to because once you own it, you're going to appreciate just how good it really is. Underneath, the car is really nice and clean. There are pictures on our website of underneath. Up in the top right of your screen, you can click on the tab and it'll bring you to this car, and then you can go off and see everything else we have too. Yeah, I'm genuinely excited about this car. The minute I seen it, when it pulled in, I was excited and was not disappointed after we checked it out. The man drove it about an hour and a half to get it to Volo, ran perfect. He actually, it's a true story, he actually pulled over. His wife was following him, and he thought about bringing it back home. And she encouraged him to bring it to Volo and sell the car. So there you have it. It's a gorgeous 70 Mach 1. I think that and the 69 Camaro is probably two of the slickest body styles ever designed. Add the red and the stripes and the spoilers, and you got one awesome, awesome car. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit volocars.com, and let us know how we can put this in your driveway. Thanks for watching.